Welcome back. He has just finished directing two of the most promising and the hottest boys in Gunde. पर क्या दो heroes का मतलब है double profit at the box office? Let's find that out and more from Ali Abbas Zafar himself. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Well, Ali, आपकी पहली फिल्म मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन was with यश राज फिल्म्स और उसमें दो हीरोज थे. और आपकी सेकंड फिल्म दिस इज ऑल्सो विथ यश राज फिल्म्स, इसमें भी दो हीरोज है, गुंडे. तो टेल अस अबाउट योर एसोसिएशन विथ यश राज फिल्म्स एंड योर ऑब्सेशन विथ टू हीरो प्रोजेक्ट्स.
See, my association with Yash Raj Films is that I started my career with them. I was an assistant director on 4 of Yash Raj films. Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, Tashan, New York, and then Badmaash Company. And once I was working on Badmaash Company, I thought that I should start writing. I think somewhere down the line I realized that this is what I wanted to do. So I started writing and I wrote Mere Brother Ki Dulhan while the film shoot was still on.
Oh, okay.
And when the film released, I gave it to Adi and he read the script and he genuinely liked it. And I got my chance to direct my first film. So that is how I became a director. With two hero films, I think I've always been a fan of multi-starrer films.
Well, आपकी फिल्म बंगाली में भी रिलीज हुई है, so did you dub the film in Bengali या फिर you had to shoot it in Bengali as well?
No, we dubbed the film in Bengali. Actually क्या था कि while we were making the film, we understood the fact that ये एक ऐसी कहानी है जो कि मुझे लगता था कि कलकत्ता में जो बंगाली लोग हैं और पूरे बंगाल में जो बंगाली लोग हैं और जिनकी फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज ही बंगाली है और जो बड़े मेट्रोज में नहीं रहते हैं, उनके बारे में भी है, उनको भी इस कहानी से एक अटैचमेंट होगा. So then we take a conscious decision that we will dub the whole film in Bengali and then release it in the smaller centers where जहाँ पर हिंदी फिल्में नहीं लगती हैं, जहाँ सिर्फ regional films लगती हैं.
क्या आप कहीं ना कहीं पर थोड़ा सा skeptical थे because Priyanka is a senior actress, तो आपको लगा कि maybe in that age group she might end up looking a little older when the film?
No, not actually. Actually script की demand थी. The idea is that दो लड़के एक ही लड़की से एक वक्त में प्यार करते हैं और वो इतने ऑनेस्ट हैं कि वो एक दूसरे के साथ बैठ के सामने बोल देते हैं कि हम दोनों को मैडम आपसे प्यार है और लड़की बोलती है दोनों. तो आइडिया ये था कि वो लड़की ऐसी होनी चाहिए जिसको देख के आप बिलीव कर सकें कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है. सो इफ आई वुड हैव कास्टेड एनी गर्ल हु वाज देयर कंटेम्पररी और यंगर टू देम और फॉर दैट मैटर अ न्यू कमर, वो नहीं हो पाता.
बट एज अ डायरेक्टर क्या आपको सेट पर कभी मुश्किल उठानी पड़ी बिकॉज यू हैड टू डायरेक्ट 2 stars and sometimes suddenly they'll be like why does he have more lines or why क्या ऐसे problems आपने face किए हैं?
Actually not at all, but what happened while making the film is that they really became best of friends, and one of the reasons was this, that it's such a difficult film to shoot that at times we were at locations where there was no network, phone network or satellite TV, so it was like a full on boys gang. And we are all around the same age, so there's a same sense of humor and stuff, so all kinds of boy humor, and we just got along like anything. And over a period of time, I remember after the first skit they became such good friends, and I can vouch for it, is that there were days on set where Ranveer has come up to me and said that Ali, I feel that this line should be said by Arjun and not from me, because I feel as a character Bala will say this line and not Vikram.
And you also had a A-list actress, Priyanka Chopra, whom you had to take good care of, so
see, Priyanka that way I think is the most happiest person from Gunde in terms of set, off set, on set. First of all, her role is too good on paper. दूसरी बात ये है कि बॉय सेट के ऊपर सिर्फ एक लड़की है. So she got so much of attention coming from all sides that she suddenly she felt that she was 17. You know?
Wow.
And she always used to, she said that every time I leave your set and go on other film, I miss Gunde set so much because I'm getting so much of attention here.
So what next after Gunde? Do you still plan to be with YRF?
Yeah, for a couple of reasons. Actually, first of all, I think I feel that YRF is my home because when I was no one knew about me. There was a producer who trusted me and gave me my first break.
Yeah.
Second of all, what I really like about YRF is that there is only one person, okay? So if he says yes, means yes. If he says no, means no.
Right.
You don't have to convince 1,000 people. And the idea is that he gives you full freedom to what you want to do.
On that note, thank you so much for being with us and all the best for Gunde.
You're welcome.